Thank you for joining in this video. This is MD Mola. In this video, I'm going to create a fantastic video. I'll demonstrate how to apply the principle of least privilege and enforce authentication policies in Linux. The objective is to create users, assign proper group permissions, enforce a strong password policy, and validate login restriction. So, first step is to create an account. So in here, I'll write a command. Other way I can say I will execute sudo add user. Sudo add user will add an user, not then username. Sudo add user. When I execute this command, it will create a new user. So now it's asking for password. So asking for password. We'll type new password. Okay. Okay. So here's a series of question will be asked. If I want, I can name it, or if I just want to skip them, I can just so it will move. Okay, so new. Okay, okay, information. Adding new user allies is supplemental. Extra group users. Okay, adding user allies to a group users. Okay, so next command I will execute sudo add user bob. Same way. Password for Bob. Again, confirm password for Bob. So full name. Okay. In this case, I'm gonna name it. Let's say one or two. Remember work phone number. Let's say phone number 1 2. Oh, wait, it's not typing. I think assume that this is the phone number. So home phone number. Doesn't be this phone number. Other none. Okay. Information correct. Yeah. Successfully, I think I have created two users, Alice and Bob. So to verify that, I can execute another command, get entry. Get entry password will give the information about the user. Yes, I can see that's a password alias. Okay, user. Okay, now instead of alias, now get the information. Yeah, I can see there's another user was created. So successfully, I have created two different users. Now I'm going to add them in different groups. So let's run sudo group add add. Okay, whose group I want to admins. Okay, let's say admins group. So new group I have created. Groups allow role-based access control, and instead of giving sudo to everyone, we will create control admin group. So now add allies to admin group. Now I'm going to add allies to admin group. The command is to user mod ag admins allies. Okay, in this command, dash a append and g supplementary group, only allies get elevated privileged. Bob remain standard user. Principle of list privilege. So let's see. Command is not found. So what I'm sudo sudo yes, type of mistake. User mod all right. So let's verify ls was added to the group or not. Grup groups allies users group. Okay, that means command was okay. Let's verify groups. bob Bob is a user and allies user submits. Okay, so deliverable deliverable one. So I can take a screenshot of this one. Now part two is enforce authentication. So in this part I will okay, I have completed this create group okay, config password policy. Okay, now in this part I am going to write sudo apt install lib p pw pw quality. So okay, PAM pluggable authentication module here. Next one, PAM pluggable authentication module. Then PW quality enforce password complexity rule. This prevent weak password. So all right. Now what I can do now, I can configure the password policy. So let's go. Let's go. Sudo nano etc security security pw probability dot conf. So here, what I can see here, this is the password configuration. Number of characters. Sent. So okay, in this case, what I can do now, I need to add the policy. Explain in this video. Okay. Retry. Path. Okay. Returning error default is 1. Retry 3. The max repeater. Okay. Let me check that. Okay, number of character in a new password that must not be present in the old password. Okay, that's that. Minimum acceptable size of the new password plus 1 if. Alright, thank you for watching this videos. I'll pin already.